What is up, Pyro Nation? We are back with, again, 2016 Pyro Demon fireworks, 125 shot Dance of Death. This is definitely a pretty decent size cake here. You see there's your performance. You have 125 shots of intense gold tails, a red strobe, white strobe, and gold strobe with a crackling finale. There's your fuse. Definitely a nice size cake. Let's pop the hood. It came with a aluminum foil on top almost, an aluminum style paper. Rip that off ready so you at least see the inside of the tubes. But you have 120 shot. It looks like 1/4 inch tubes. And of course, there's your 5 final breaks, bigger breaks right there. There's about 1 inch tubes. There you go. 125 shot Dance of Death Pyro Demon fireworks. Sprinkler Dance of Death. That was a sky filler.